Hey guys, today we'll see, does Zepto accept returns on grocery or daily essentials? Let's check out. As you see in the picture, this is one of the products we have ordered on Zepto, and this kind of product we have received and discovered it to be fake. Okay, let me tell you about a fake cinnamon. As you see in the picture, this is the fake cinnamon or the duplicate cinnamon, but it looks just like cinnamon. It doesn't smell like cinnamon and it has no hole as you see in the picture, but the real cinnamon has the cinnamon smell and it contains a hole, and you can put a pencil through it as shown in the picture. This is how you can make out between a real and a fake cinnamon. So be aware of the spices that are sold. Seems to be real, but they are not real when you see in terms of quality, smell and taste. So be aware of the fake spices or the duplicate spices that are in the market right now. I have put a picture here. You can see the fake cinnamon and the real cinnamon. Hope I made myself clear, right? To make out the real and fake cinnamon. Now coming back to the topic, as we have received this fake cinnamon from Zepto, we tried to return the product on Zepto, but returns are not accepted, but we can only get refund. We'll see how. Go to Zepto app. As you see in the picture, click on profile icon. When you click on profile icon, this kind of screen appears before you. Go to orders. After you go to orders, you select the order. Once you select the order, a list of products will appear before you, and you click on help. Once you click on help, you can see two options available. You go to first option, click on chat with us. Once you click on that, chat room will open up, but unfortunately this won't work. So you go to write email to support@Jared.Doran, as you see in the picture. So here order ID will automatically appear while writing the mail, and you got to attach a photo of the product which you have received to be fake or not of good quality or substandard quality, whatever you call. Okay, make sure that your order ID is correct while writing the mail, and not only that, don't forget to attach the pictures as shown here. Whatever substandard quality or fake products you have received from Zepto, make sure that you attach to the mail and send it in 3 calendar days after you receive the fake product from Zepto. Then only you'll get a refund from Zepto. Otherwise, your refund will be rejected. As you see in the picture, my refund has been rejected. Once you get the refund, you can go to Zepto and click on profile icon, click on refunds, and your refund amount would be there. This refund process might take 4 to 5 days. And let me tell you, you can write feedback by rating your order as shown in the picture. Here in the feedback box, you can write down few lines that you have faced with the product that turned out to be fake or substandard quality, and click on submit. That's it, done. Okay, now come to the home screen. You have this super saver option. You can click on super saver option to get more discount on your products. If you want extra discount, you can check out the coupons in the description box. And that's it all for today. If you've got any doubts, ask me in the comment section. Hope you like this video of fake real cinnamon product, right? If you liked it, do share with your friends and family and subscribe. Have a good day and keep smiling.